For those companies out there that owe payroll tax liability to the IRS or state government, I've got something for you. You'll want to hear this or you'll want to pass it along.
Wait a minute. Before we get started, there's something that I also want to show you at the very end, but you have to watch the rest to be able to put it in context, to appreciate it all, how it all comes together. All right, here we go. Let's start this video.
When your company owes payroll tax, one of the first things that you really want to find is a way to settle or resolve the matter. And there's some pieces to it. And I'm going to give you the 4 pieces of what that resolution typically looks like. Now, it's technical. I'm going to give it to you at a high level, just a quick summary, but really just understand it is technical legal positions that you take. First of all, you're going to want to look for some sort of settlement, and that may be an offer in compromise or some other type of settlement at the company level for that payroll tax liability. Now, when you get that, the government is also going to seek to determine whether you are personally responsible for the tax. And so then that's the second component, is that determination or minimalization of the personal responsibility. A third component is minimalizing what that personal responsibility means. Now, how much is the amount, and whether you can avoid any of it or maybe all of it. All right, the fourth component is a settlement for that personal responsibility portion if you actually have that. And that could also be an offer in compromise or some other settlement.
Now look, at the beginning of this video, I promised you a magic show. Let me tell you, this is actually the important part that I really wanted you to see, is that this will actually work for you. I have on the screen an actual letter from the IRS. It's a relatively small amount. Your amounts may be much bigger. We use this one because we felt like a lot of people could relate to it. We actually handle matters this size and a whole lot bigger, 6, even 7 figures. But you can see the tax and penalties were $22,000, just about. We reduced it down to $760. That's about a 96.5% reduction of all of that overall additional tax, penalty, interest, all of that garbage that you don't want your business to have to pay. All right, if you've already moved back from our website, I want you to go back, stopirsproblem.com, go to the services tab and down to the settle payroll taxes with the IRS. We want to help you. Let's get those payroll taxes settled up and out of your life forever. All right, we are here to help you. Let's get it started. And thanks for watching.